Hi everybody, here we are again looking at our microscope, and we want to talk a little bit more about our stage. Stage is where we put our samples for viewing through the objective lens and into the microscope. This particular model has a little clip on the side, and that will hold a slide, which is a piece of glass, in place on the stage. When it's held in place, we use the knobs on this side of the scope to adjust the position of the specimen. So if we turn this, get a slightly better view. As we turn these knobs, we'll be moving this stage, or the mechanical stage, forward and backwards. And this knob moves it left and right. Something to be aware of. When you're moving the stage, when a sample goes to the left, the objective shows it moving to the right. It's opposite. So be aware that when you're moving things up and down, left and right, to line up with the objective lens, the samples will be moving in the opposite direction of your eyepiece.